Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle an interesting problem in C++ programming. The problem at hand revolves around the usage of comparison operators for a class in C++23 with an explicit object parameter of a type distinct from the class type. We'll delve into the details of how different compilers handle this scenario and whether it's considered valid or not. In terms of the solution to this problem, it's essential to note a few key points. Firstly, MSVC's error message in this context is deemed incorrect. This is because the requirements on the types of parameters apply primarily to non-member overloads, while an explicit object parameter function is a member function. On the other hand, Clang's error message is more accurate, as there is a built-in operator candidate that can lead to ambiguity when overloaded. This makes the practical use of such overloads limited due to potential conflicts with the built-in candidates. Now, summing up our discussion, we've explored the compatibility of comparison operators with distinct object parameters in C++23 across different compilers. While MSVC's approach may need some tweaking, Clang's cautious stance highlights potential ambiguities and overloads. Remember, when playing around with such concepts, it's crucial to be aware of the specifics to avoid unexpected behavior. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!